folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to give you guys a comparison on the Heco Cookstoves. So right here we do have the model 420. Right next to it is going to be the 520, and all the way to the far end is going to be the Heco/Obadiah 2000 model. So I'm just going to go through some of the overall differences between the models. So essentially you can see here that the 420 and the 520 are going to be very, very similar stoves. I'm not sure if you can see for purposes in the video, but sizing differences. The 420 is obviously the smallest. The 520 is about 11 inches overall wider. Now, you do have a larger firebox as well on the 520 model. So some of the differences between the 420 and the 520 is going to have to do with the firebox. So again, 520 has a larger firebox. The 420 model has 2 reburn tubes along with 1 single wide baffle that fits in the top of the unit. Now, the 520 model has 3 airburn tubes with 2 smaller baffles that fit side by side in the top of the unit. Both the 420 and the 520 have the ability to burn both wood and coal. So the stove will come standard with a metal plate that goes in the bottom of the firebox. You will use that when you're burning wood. If you're burning coal, it also comes standard with a cast iron roller grate shaker handle located on the back of the stove for when you're burning coal. Now, both of these products are UL and ULC listed for North America for insurance purposes. Over here on the Model 2000. The Model 2000 is basically going to be essentially our economy model in the Heco stove line. So what does that mean? Basically, this model is going to be rated to burn wood only, all right? You do not have any reburn tubes located in the top of the firebox, and there's no baffle system. Now, you do get a much larger firebox on the Model 2000 than what either the 420 or the 520 has. So when you're talking comparison, one more thing. The Model 2000 is not UL listed for insurance purposes, okay? So that could potentially cause a problem for you. You definitely need to check with your insurance company on that. So because it doesn't have the UL listing and because it doesn't have the ability to burn coal, because it doesn't have the air tubes or the baffle system, it is going to be in a cheaper price point. That's what makes it the economy model, all right? So as far as sizing goes, 420, we recommend this for depending on your square footage, approximately 700 square feet, maybe up to about 2,000. Now the Model 520 and the 2000, those are both going to be comparable in overall BTU output. So depending on the square footage of your home, how well insulated it is, and your climate, heatings can vary. But generally we recommend these models for anywhere, I would say, from about 1,200 square feet up to 3,500 square feet, okay? 3,500 square feet would be in a more mild climate that, in a very well insulated home. So if you have questions on how, what each particular model will heat for your application, please give us a call over at Obadiah's. We're always available. We're happy to ask you some questions and tell you what BTUs you need to actually heat your space. So I hope that you guys find this video comparison helpful. These are some of the most common asked questions I get on the Heco line. So if you do enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you click the corner in the corner of our videos, that'll get you a link to subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe. That'll keep you updated with all of our latest video releases. Thank you guys so much for watching and your continued support. I hope that you have a wonderful day.